Hello and welcome to YouTube channel. I'm your guy Paul. If it's your first time here, please consider subscribing to YouTube channel, then click the bell icon to enable notifications. So in this video I'm going to handle on how to open some specific file format. So before you proceed, you need to understand what's a file. You need to understand the type of files and what application or software you need to open a certain file. So this is a RAR file. So you're just going to deal with the file type. In this case, you're specifically handling the RAR file. So let me just highlight you. This one is the second one, the RAR file. This is what you need. So we need application to open that. So that we're going to use a WinRAR. So in my case, I've already downloaded the WinRAR from the online. So you just open where the WinRAR is, then launch the setup. So it's 64 bits. So you run the setup. So these are the file types. Let me just highlight of them. Have the RAR file, have the 7-zip, SE, and all of them. So using with WinRAR, you can access all these file types. You can open all these file types. This point. So just click on install. Then associate WinRAR with this file. You have RAR, have zip, CAB, ARJ, 7-zip, ISO, JAR, and many other file format. So you click on OK, then you're done. You just close this window, then get back to the file. So you now have the power ISO keygen serial that is now in you now have the specific file to open this file type. So you have the WinRAR. You can just open that file. So you have by installing WinRAR, you can access this file, the power ISO. So you can proceed with the installation after accessing your file. So in case you have any questions, just comment down in the comment section and we'll give you a quick response. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for notifications.